Hello and welcome back. Today here we have on display a Rockwell Delta dual volt single phase motor with the grinder in the stand. The model number is 31-426. Here's one tag here showing you this is a dual voltage single phase motor made in the USA. And then here in the back you can see the original model number, serial.
And today we're going to demonstrate that this is indeed in working condition. It's a great grinder. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in, rev it up, and we'll see how all this works. Right? Now that I've plugged it in, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. As you can see, it's in great condition. Both of the handles on the sides are used to adjust the speed. Here's a piece of paper to show that it is indeed working. If you guys have any questions, please visit us at mycyberoffice.com and visit us at our eBay page at mycyberofficeid.
And thank you again for watching.